Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. It is currently Saturday, October 29th. I should have known that before I started this clip. But today is going to be a super fun day. It is around 9 a.m. right now, and I have kind of a lot to get done before noon, but I'm excited to vlog because I'm just really excited about today. So basically what is happening is a bunch of Violet's friends are coming over for a play date at our house, and then later this evening around like 5, I think, our community is having a trick-or-treating event for the kids. I think it's for the parents that don't, or I guess the families that don't want to go trick-or-treating on Halloween since it's a Monday and I guess like it's a school night. So we have to go set up a table at the park, and like it's a whole thing. So I'm super excited about that. I hope there's a pretty good turnout, because if not, it's gonna be awkward, but I'm sure there will be. They told us about it like a long time ago, and they keep sending reminders, so I'm hoping that will be good. But yeah, that is all. I'm gonna start doing stuff. I need to look at my to-do list and then figure out what I want to do in what order, but I do need to run to the grocery store. So yeah, I'll update you when I figure out what's the first thing to do. Groceries, check. Literally the most random stuff: yogurt, soda, super glue, chips, and pasta. But we got it all, so that's all that matters. I just took a whole clip of me making all of these little dog bone treats with this little machine, and somehow it got deleted, so that's really fun, but it's okay. I made these. It is now 12:43, so I'm gonna put these in the fridge so they can cool down a little. They don't stay hot for very long since they're like small pieces, and then I'm gonna add frosting to some of them and then leave some of them just as is. So that's what's happening. I'm really annoyed that that clip is gone, but what are you gonna do? The dogs are outside. I'll show you in a second, but I am making us fettuccine alfredo, Texas toast, and then we're gonna eat. But let me show you the puppy dogs. Oh, I'm just kidding. I don't know where they went. I'll show you when I'm out there. Okay, we're here for a chamoy candy taste test. I ordered this off TikTok, and I literally was so excited for it to come. So I'm gonna try a gummy worm first. It's all like mixed. So I got gummy worms, gummy bears, spicy mangoes, Airhead Extremes, sour flowers, Gushers. I think that's it. So let's see. I'm nervous. It got me almost in two because I'm so happy. It's so good. But like, I don't know. You have to try it. These mangoes are kind of spicy because they already have chili on them.
Where's the gusher? This?
I think they might. I think I see them toward the bottom one.
Wait, this is a watermelon?
Oh yeah, I forgot about the watermelon rings. I want to try that.
This is a ring?
I don't know.
Oh my gosh. This?
Oh no, that's a sour flower.
Okay, I'm not doing it. I need a... This is a mango?
Yeah.
Alright, we're going for the mango.
I want to try mango. Why is it so exciting?
It's good.
Oh, also we're eating this with Frenchie chopsticks. Lexi's off camera, by the way.
That's good.
Those mangoes are good.
Yeah, they're good.
Sheesh.
What's her name?
Mama V.
She did it again.
Next time I'm definitely putting live so I can see her make it.
Did she put a little note in there?
She just, yeah, she has like a postcard kind of thing.
Like, thank you for supporting. Mama B, you are a queen.
Sorry if that wasn't like good information, but I was just so excited. So that's it for now. Good morning, guys, and happy Halloween. It is Monday, Halloween day, and I'm so excited. It is 11 in the morning. I already got my video filmed and uploaded for the day. So check that out if you haven't already. It's my monthly closeout. George and I are heading to Costco right now. He's just grabbing something from his truck real quick. But we need groceries extremely bad. So we're going to Costco. I'll probably run to another store also. He might come with me, might not, just depends on timing. But that's what we're up to right now. I'll let you know what we get. I'm like squinting because it's very sunny, but yeah, that's my little morning update. We just left Costco. We have all our stuff back there, which I'll show you once we get home. But now we're in the Chick-fil-A drive-thru, which is a super long line. So we're just sitting here, but we're getting Chick-fil-A, and then we're gonna go home, put the groceries away, eat, and then I have a bunch of other stuff to still do. And it's 12:52, so.
Gabby's partner has COVID, so he's not gonna dance today.
Oh yeah, I saw that.
So she your kid or my kid?
You want another one?
She's my kid then.
Okay, here's our Costco haul. We got these, some chips, more chicken breast, smoothie mix, well, it's just fruit, wings, Hot Pockets, dumplings, these little like oat bar things, Cheez-Its, trail mix, bananas, which was a really good deal. I think it was like $1.50 for all of these. Sour cream, rotisserie chicken, and then I got this sweater, which I don't know if I get to keep it or if George is gonna give it to me for Christmas, but I got this sweater. I got these Grinch toys for Zoe, which is Madison's dog, and then I got these flowers because I thought they were so pretty. Okay, I'm officially the worst vlogger in the whole entire world because I keep forgetting I'm vlogging and it's Halloween and I keep forgetting to show you the good stuff. So I just made this little witch's cauldron DIY. These are holographic Christmas ornaments, and then we have some like spider webs in there, lights, and it's gonna look really, really good outside once it's dark. It's not dark yet. And then I have an extra box and these 2 sets of lights that I need to return to Michael's. So that'll be for another day. And then I also was testing out this little thing. If you watched the vlog of Mariah's birthday party, we had those little fog machines, which is what I have in there. So I was testing that out and got that figured out. That'll be outside, but for now it's just right there. I do need to run to the grocery store to get some last minute little things that we couldn't get at Costco. And yeah, so those are the main things I need to do, and then start cooking and baking cookies and all that stuff. So I'm gonna go to the store to get that out of the way because everything else is here at the house, and I'm pretty sure it's just gonna get crazier and crazier at the grocery store the longer I wait. So I should have just gone like right when we got home from Costco, but I didn't do that. So I'm gonna go to the store now. Alrighty, I just finished making dinner. We have enchiladas, beans, rice, cookies, cupcakes, and guac over here. I just have the lid on so it stays good, but let me flip you around. My family was here already. They're still here. They just took Madison to go trick-or-treating, so they're walking around, but I wanted to stay back so I could give out candy because that's so fun. Violet's here. This is how she's feeling. She's not tied to anything, by the way. Her harness and leash is just on because every time the door rings, she wants to like run out because she literally loves people. So I just am holding her leash so that she doesn't run away. But yeah, she's been doing really good though. Like she never barks or anything. So she's just so excited to see all the kids because she loves kids. So that's been fun for her. I'm waiting for George to get back. He should be here shortly, and then he will be here with me giving out candy, which is really fun. So yeah, sorry, I was looking outside. This is my little setup. I have Halloween Rice Krispies and then this huge thing of candy, but I will update you guys in a little bit, I guess. Happy Halloween!